Okay, everybody, you're going to open up the Doceri app, and you're going to click New Project. When you're on there, there's a number of things that you can do. It's just like drawing on a whiteboard. So you can choose any of the tools that you want on here. I'm just going to do a simple problem. X plus 7 equals 14. Up at the top, you've got highlighter tools, you've got drawing tools, you've got squares, erasers, all sorts of things that you can do. You can also add pages. Up at the top, of course, you want to click the recording so that you can be speaking over what it is that you're doing. All the way to the left, you can change the backgrounds. Math teachers especially like the graph paper, but there's a whole bunch of backgrounds for every subject area that you might want to add to it as well. Okay, that's just a sample. You can add a new page, place an image. Okay, I'm just going to draw a graph real quick for you. Okay. What else is there? Okay, I'm going to stop the recording. Okay, once I do that, it saves for me. I want to rename the document so I know what it is that I am sending out to the students. Okay. In this case, there's lots of different choices and ways in which you can send this to students. If you look on the right-hand side, and you want to just grab it and you want to drag your document over to one of those different ways of sending it. Yeah, that share square, a little up arrow, gives you a little choice of messaging it, mailing it, saving it to your photos like I just did. Okay, you can also drag it to your YouTube account. Okay, everybody with a Workspace account has a YouTube account. So you can send it to your Workspace account. One, you'd have to log in to it. On the next page, I'm not going to enter my username or a password because I don't want to necessarily give that away. Okay, so you would just do that, and it would ask you to activate your YouTube account and upload it. Perfect. You'll be able to do that real easy. And then you can use the link from YouTube to send that out in your Canvas account. Okay. If you don't like the recording, certainly drag it down to trash. But there's also other ways that you can share it. There's Drive. You can pop that right into your Drive account. You can share the link from there as well. So a lot of different ways, a lot of different choices. Just like Show Me. I know a lot of you are using that. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.